Lothal and Kalibangan are associated with Egyptian civilization, Chinese civilization, Babylonian civilization, or Harappa culture? And the correct answer is Harappa culture. First domestic animal of Stone Age people was dogs, sheep, deer, or horses. And the correct answer is sheep. The first Neolithic site discovered in India was Gufral, Chetsar, Woods Home, or none of the above. And the correct answer is Woods Home. First Stone Age site discovered in India is Sirsa, Haski, Karnool, or Lingasugur. And the correct answer is Lingasugur. Who founded the Servant Society of India? Dadabhai Nauroji, Lala Lajpat Rai, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, or Gopal Krishna Gokhale? And the correct answer is Gopal Krishna Gokhale. The original name of Swami Dayanand Saraswati was Dayashankar, Mool Shankar, Gauri Shankar, or none of the above. And the correct answer is Mool Shankar. The first Governor General of India was appointed in 1853, 1861, 1774, or 1911. And the correct answer is 1774. Whom did Mahatma Gandhi regarded as his heir? Indira Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, or Muhammad Ali Jinnah? And the correct answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Who was the first person to sail round the world? Robert Peary, Amundsen, Ferdinand Magellan, or Mihir Singh? And the correct answer is Ferdinand Magellan. Watch our other videos. Please support us. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the bell icon.